Hey everybody, and welcome back. Super excited to launch the announcement of our new feature, Venn tasks. When we speak to business owners, one of the major problems that we hear is not setting up approval or transfer policies, but it's actually getting your employees to enforce them. That's why we built Venn tasks, a centralized repository for owners, admins, and employees to see outstanding tasks that are required for them, as well as approval requests. If we navigate into approvals, which you'll see from your main dashboard, you will see all the transfers or approvals that are required from you as an owner admin to either approve or deny. Let's click on this first one and take a look at what this actually looks like. When we navigate in, we see this is a transfer approval from Tate to send $5,600 to Tools and Hammers, which is one of our vendors. I'll go through here. I'll make sure that Tate has uploaded the associated invoice. I'll see that it's pulling from the proper account, meaning that we don't spend additional money on FX. And then if this all looks good, I'll go through and approve that transfer. Once this is approved, Tate will get a notification on his account and the transfer will go live. We can also see there are other examples here, whether it be new card requests or additional transfer rules in different currencies, but we'll just look at the one example for now. Moving forward, we can see the tasks that are outstanding to me. So this is either we have a spend policy or receipt memo policy on our account, and I have not done my due diligence and I've not uploaded my receipt. If we go into one of these examples, we can click on this and we can see what is the memo or policy that is causing this to basically be outstanding. And then I can see what action is required from me. Super easy, super self-explanatory. I'll go through here and just upload my sample receipt, and we will see that this automatically matches and then is removed from my outstanding tasks. Another feature that I want to highlight is the auto mapping of receipts. Let's say you had all 4 of these receipts on hand, you would be able to simply navigate and drop them into our AI receipt matching, and it would automatically match them to the correlated task or outstanding expense, and this would clear all of these super easy. When thinking about actual policy or memo rules for your business, we built a better way for those to be accessed and set up by admins and owners. If we navigate to settings and then go into policies, you'll see our 3 different policies or rule policies where you can see card spend and how you're able to restrict spending by certain categories or geographies. This would then add additional tasks if an expense or transfer was not correlated with this. We can go in and look at memos and receipts. This is the one that was causing those tasks to be owed to me. This is requiring receipts on all transactions over $0, as well as card inactivity. So this could lock a card if there was no inactivity over a certain period of time. Let me know if you have any other questions. I hope you guys like this new feature. And if you have any more requests for future products or features in the future, feel free to drop those in the comments. Have a great rest of your day.